Alright, so in this lab we're going to take apart a relay. This one actually is a clear plastic kind, so it's not entirely necessary to take it apart, but we're going to do it anyways. This is just a spare relay I had laying around. Let's get on with it. Now, for your relay, you might need a knife of some sort, and you might have to cut along the edges, kind of like that. This one, we don't have to do that because it has a little tab right there, if you can see it, which I can fit a screwdriver under and pry it out. But if you do use a knife, just as an extra warning, be careful and don't cut yourself. So here we go. I'm just going to fit the screwdriver under like that, and then kind of pull down. And it pops right out. Alright, so I have another relay that I took apart because unfortunately the last one that we had, the coil on it ran on 24 volts DC, and we don't have a 24 volt power supply. So we're just going to be using this one, which has a 12 volt coil instead. We have our power supply up here. This is a power supply that I made out of a computer power supply, and it's supplying 12 volts to this relay, which is currently not on because the power supply is not. If you can see right here, I'll kind of name out the parts. That's the coil right there. These two things right in between there are the contacts, and this up here is the arm. When the coil gets energized, it creates a magnetic field which pulls this arm down. And if you can see over here, when that arm gets pulled down, it pushes this contact into the other one, and that closes the circuit. So we can turn it on now so you can see. And you can see that's pretty much how a relay works. When you put power on the rail, it closes, and when you let go, it opens.